think we were going to make it to 3 years. And a lot of people didn't think most black organizations will make it past the first year when they get through being mad, and then the real work has to start. Dale McKinney was right there with us, providing us with knowledge and experience of us newbies who didn't know a lot about what the educational system is, how it works, how it functions, what are the dynamics and the players within the Sac City Unified School District. So we oftentimes went to him for not only his experience and knowledge, but most importantly, the guidance and steadfastness that he provided for us, where others wanted to go out and, let's just, shut down the school, or others wanted to say, let's run off and do our own thing. He kept us on point and being part of that. But also from a personal thing for me, he's always been the person I've oftentimes looked up to, but I never knew this elusive guy called Dale McKinney. When he had set up the Black Student Union in Sac City, I heard about it and I want to replicate it. So from the Black Parallel School Board, we would like to give you a nice black